myself Soumya. Today I'm here to discuss about some basic concepts in the JavaScript like objects, functions and difference between where, char and constant and import and export. Here we can discuss about objects in Java. First of all, what are the objects? Objects in JavaScript are collections of key value pairs where keys are strings or symbols and values can be of any type. It may be example of numbers, strings, functions. They are used to store related data and functionalities together. In these objects, we are having creation of an object, accessing properties and manipulating the properties. First of all, we can see about creating an object. Here I have taken person, in that I have declared name and age. Here I have given the greet function, so the output it may be hello, my name is Ram. And accessing functions. You can access object properties using either dot notation like person dot name or a bracket notation like person dot age. Here the output is Ram and the age output is 20. And calling methods. The greet method uses this to refer to the current object and return a formatted string. In this we may also have nested objects. And the next topic is about functions. First of all, what are meant by functions? Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. They help in organizing code and improving reusability. In this, we also have function declaration in the and arrow function and function expression. First, we let us discuss about function declaration. A function declaration defines a named function using the function keyword. These functions are hoisted to the top of their scope, which means you can call them before they are declared in the code. For example, you can see here function declaration. I have given function greet name, return hello and name. From this function declaration, I have here calling the function console.log greet. I have given the name as John. So the output is hello John by giving the function declaration, and from that function declaration I have calling that function, so the output is hello John. And now function expression. A function expression involves assigning a function to a variable. The function can be named or anonymous. Unlike function declaration, function expressions are not hoisted, so they can only be after being defined. Here function expression is nothing but they can be called after they have been defined. Here I have given const add is equals to function. I have declared here a and b and written a plus b. And now we can discuss about arrow function. It is introduced in ES6. Arrow functions provide a shorter syntax for writing the functions. They are always anonymous and do not have their own this content, important for handling this in objects or the callbacks. Here you can see const multiply is equals to I have taken two parameters a and b. I have written those parameters as multiplication. In console log I have passed the numbers as 4 and 3. It perform the multiplication and give the input as 4 into 3 equal to 12. And in this we have these functions. In these functions I have used arrow function behavior and write this function code. The arrow function does not create its own this. It inherit this from the enclosing greet method, where this refers to the person object. You can see here constant percent I have given name and greet. Here constant of arrow function, and I have given console log hello my name is this dot name. This dot name will go to the name and it will check Ramya. And now I have given arrow function, and at last I have given person dot greet, and the output will be hello my name is Ramya. This is all about the functions. Now let us discuss about the var, let and the constant. First of all, in JavaScript, var, let and the constant are used to declare the variables. We use these keywords or var, let, constant like this for declaring the variables, but they have behaved differently in terms of scope, hosting and reassignment. First we can discuss about var. Var is nothing but a function scope. Var was traditionally used in JavaScript before the ES6. It has function scope, meaning it is visible throughout the function where it is declared. It does not have a block scope, so variables declared with var inside a block can still be accessed outside the block. For example, we can see here if true, where x is equal to 10. And I have given here console.log and I have passed the x. So the output will be 10. And the next one is let. Let is nothing but a block scoped. Introduced in ES6, let is block scoped, meaning it is accessible only within the block where it is defined. It is also hoisted but not initialized. Accessing it before declaration results in a reference error. Let can be reassigned but not redeclared in the same scope. For example, you can see here if true and I have taken x is equal to 20 and I have passed the parameter in console log x. In that I have get the output as 20. In console dot log x, here we have an error because here x is not defined. It is a reference error. For example, if we take y is equal to 5 and y equal to 20, it is reassignment allotted. In this reassignment will be allotted. So if we pass y parameter in the console.log, then the output will be 10 because it is accessible only within the block where it is defined. And the next one is constant. Constant is nothing but a block scope and immutable. Immutable means unchangeable. Constant is block scoped, like let. A variable declared with const must be initialized at the time of the declaration. It cannot be reassigned or redeclared in the same scope. However, objects or arrays declared with the const must be can be muted. Their properties or elements can change, but the reference cannot be reassigned. Here you can see this const example. I have taken a jet. I have passed the value 30 and in I have taken z is equal to 40. It may cause the error because here assignment to the constant variable. Here I have not passed any parameter to the console.log. So that's why it gives the error to the assignment constant variable. And the last topic is nothing but a JavaScript modules. In this we have export and import. You can export variables, functions or classes from a file so they can be imported into other files. Here I have taken exporting multiple functions using named exports. Here export constant add is equal to I have taken again two parameters a comma b and I have used arrow function and I have performed addition. So a plus b. And here I have taken another subtract and I have passed again two parameters by using the arrow function. Export makes the function add and subtract available to the other files. These are named exports, so they must be imported using their exact names. Now the import. Import here I have taken from import specific functions from the module. You can import named exports using curly braces. Here I have imported, I have given name, add and the subtract from math.js and I have passed 5 comma 3 in the addition operation and I have get 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The output will be 8 and I have passed again 5 comma 3 in the subtract within the console.log and I have get the output as 2. The import statement imports the add and subtract the functions. You need to provide the exact name of the exported functions inside the curly braces. The path math.js points to the file where the function was exported. These are all about the basic concepts in the JavaScript. Thank you.